Alam niyo ba, IKEA Pasay is the biggest IKEA sa buong mundo. As in 4 floors. Super strategic pa ng location. Walking distance lang from Mall of Asia. Open sila hanggang 10 p.m. Sa 4th floor pa lang, panalo na. May restaurant sila doon. You can eat bago ka mag-shop. Ang laki ng space, very comfortable at concerned sila sa customer kasi you can relax muna bago ka lumapang sa mga budol. Kamusta ang food? Masarap. Long line pero mabilis. Favorite ko? Syempre, refillable brewed coffee. Partner with cheesecake. Nag-order din ako ng meatless bowl with mashed potato. Sulit. Pagbaba mo, andyan na ang budol zone. Lahat meron. Kitchenware, bathroom stuff, pang room, at pati yung pang newborn. Super organized ng bawat section. May play area din for kids. Family friendly talaga. At syempre, ang budol ay real. Pati sa counter area, may tempting finds. Kaya tip ko, bili lang ng kailangan. Kasi kahit mura, pag pinagsama-sama, boom, budget busted. Payment system, smooth and organized. And I love the 30 pesos blue IKEA bag. Super durable. Pero heads up lang, ikaw na ang magbabalot ng items sa wrapping station, so be ready. Final tip, be a smart shopper. Yes, mura, pero always ask, magagamit ko ba talaga ito?